Would you ever buy a haunted house? C.J. Lauder saw something different. In Marion, Alabama, it wasn't the rumors that stood out. It was the opportunity to preserve and restore something truly special. This passion project is all about honoring the home's original character while bringing new life into it.
Good afternoon, Mary Jo and Seymour. Thank you for having me today. And first of all, thank you so much for being my buyer's agent and making one of my biggest dreams come true. Yes, I've spent many years in corporate America, but my passion has always been interior design and architecture. So this home is very special to me.
CJ, what were you looking for in a home?
Very good question. First of all, I was looking for a home with architectural integrity, meaning that there's no build-ons or additions that's not true to the style of the home. So I was looking for period-specific pieces. In this instance, you have the Greek Revival combined with the Italianate style in the antebellum era, but also it was, I believe, one of the first introductions of the bungalow style. So all of this played together. Obviously, the house was built in 1846, so that old world charm is very important to me.
And what did you see in this house that others might have missed?
Although the house was not in that bad shape, there are some paint imperfections and some floors that can do with a refinish. I was looking beyond that and saw the high 14 feet ceilings that will create some beautiful millwork or crown moldings, chair rails, and wainscoting, as well as the hardwood floors that are original to the home. And all of those components is great value for money. I think I paid just as much for the home as to replace all the moldings that's there right now. So in that sense, to me, it's the buy of a lifetime. But there's also something else, and that's the community. I think this community deserves better. I think this community is one of those forgotten communities in rural America. And hopefully with my intellect and my experience, I can bring something to the town to maybe bring some industry or work related opportunities that can uplift the whole town and make it a pleasant place to live in.
Tell us about your vision for this space.
Well, I have a very clear vision for this space. First of all, I'm going to take it slow and do it right. So it's very important to me that I find skilled labor in the area to support the area. As I mentioned before, job creation is one of my top priorities, and hopefully I can bring opportunities to the table for local craftsmen to do their finest and help me with this home. There's not going to be a lot done. For instance, the crown molding was lost, and that's going to be replaced with new crown molding. All the other molding in the home will stay the same. Maybe I will add some chair rails to create the right proportion. I will refinish the floors and then do wall treatments, bring in beautiful antique furniture of the era and give it my own vibe, so to speak, to make it a comfortable living space. This home is unique in that it has a very big foyer that runs right through the house, and which creates a fantastic opportunity for entertainment and such. So I'm looking very much forward to keeping the house basically as it is, but just enhance it, clean it up, make it my own. And I'm very well known for making something out of nothing. In this case, I have a lot to work with, and I'm very blessed and thankful for that.
What are you most excited about, CJ?
I am most excited about having my first dinner party there and inviting everybody, all the skilled labor that worked on the house, from the trim carpenters to the person that cut the grass, and just have a wonderful meal around the table and celebrate what has become. Everything starts with a dream, but then it's execution time, and you need the right people to help you fulfill your dreams. And I would be so excited when that day comes, when I can thank everybody for helping me making my vision come true and helping me achieve my goals and what I had in my head all along. Creativity is a weird thing. It starts with an idea and then you have to execute. Thank you so much, Mary Jo and Seymour, for your patience with me in this project, and hopefully we can stay friends forever and you can follow along and see how this all develops. I wish you and your firm and your real estate business only the best. You guys did a wonderful job in representing me, and I will never forget that. Thank you.
We're grateful to have been a part of this journey in Marion, Alabama, helping bring a vision like this to life. Thank you, CJ.